To Ria Plays Minecraft. Today we're gonna play Animal Jam. It's not a part of Minecraft, it's just a different game. So let's see. So it's like you can download this game, it's really fun, and this is also kind of like you can play with your friends. I have my friends, so they're actually offline, you know. Sure. So my friends are Shaurya Khungar and Cupcake Smiles. So please subscribe to their channels. Okay. Yes. Yes. So we all know that we love to play games, right? So we're gonna see this Animal Jam game. It's a really fun game. You can download it. Yeah, I already told that, but still. Oh, and if you haven't checked out my channel, please go check out my channel. It's named Ria Plays Minecraft, and with my friend Shaurya Khungar and Cupcake Smiles, I will be playing with them. So yeah. So subscribe for more videos. So it's just loading. Yeah, I think it's almost. It says spin, so it goes to your den. So I have not upgraded my den yet. I need to make it a little bit more better. So yeah, I'll be putting part 2 after this. See, now I have a pet gecko with me. Come on, pet gecko, let's go. Do you want to have a sofa? My pet gecko is hiding there. He doesn't know. Yeah, the new Java which is Shaurya Khungar and have my friend Cupcake Smiles. They're not online, but at 5:30 I'll be taking this. No, not 5:30. I mean 4. We'll be taking we'll be playing